Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 2D design. See, here is bicycle sprocket gear. See, I just see a 2D design for the beginner. After your develop skill level, then I will show how to make 3D. See, now make 2D. Here is a bigger circle diameter. See here 240 millimeter. See, and shape a hole diameter here, radius 30 millimeter, that means dia 60 millimeter. See, here is a 3-point slot distance 40 millimeter. See, and here center to slot center distance 70 millimeter. Okay, and here is sprocket gear radius 6 millimeter and distance 12 millimeter. See, and here 18.84 millimeter. See, let's try to make this. See, first I chose front plane and sketch. Now I choose the center line. Okay, in from origin. Now it's center. Now I choose circle. First I choose 4 circle. 1, 2, 3, and last one 4. See, here is 4 circle. Let's define. First, here is bigger sprocket geared circle diameter 300 millimeter. Okay, now here is 240, a diameter 240 millimeter. See, and here 150 millimeter, and the last one radius 30 millimeter, that means diameter 60 millimeter. Okay, see, first I choose 1 and 2 circle, make relation. Let's construction geometry. Here is the 2 circles construction. Now I make the slot. See, I need okay, center point slot, arc slot. Click center. See, yeah, automatically converted. See, now it's slot. Now first click this center of slot and hold Control key, click center. Make again. First click the center and hold Control key, click this construction line and make relation its cordial. Okay, now it's cordial, and then click the origin and this point, So need to horizontal. See, now it's horizontal. Click this point to this point. Make selection. Here is show horizontal symbol. See, now it's horizontal. Let's define. Here slot radius 20 millimeter and slot distance here to here 40 millimeter. Okay, let's pattern. So need to force a slot according to our construction geometry circle. So first choose pattern. Here is circular pattern, and first click this slot. See, here automatically force circle. Okay, now our force circle pattern is completed, and now I choose the okay 3-point arc. Okay, start out of circle here to here and down the backward. Okay, it's automatically converted. Now click 2.1, 2, and also this construction center line, and make relation here, make symmetric. Click this, or here make symmetric. Click this. Okay. Now our 2 point is middle of the center line, and then cut this unnecessary portion. Here is cut it. Okay, see, let's define. First, smart dimension, and here to here distance 12 millimeter. Okay, and here radius 6 millimeter. Okay, first click this point and hold control key and this center line and make relation coincident. See, now it's coincident. Then I need okay, first option, and then center point arc. Choose the center point arc and start from origin point. Click here. See, then click this point. Okay, and start this arc here. Okay, our center point arc is okay. Now define. First okay, or needs another one. So first mirror. Okay, select mirror entities. First selected, then mirror about, mirror from center line. Say it's automatically it's mirror. Let's define. First here to here distance 18.8 millimeter. Okay, now okay, I need to pattern. See, sprock gear pattern. So 1, 2, 3, and 3 is need to select it. First I choose option, then click circular pattern, and first click this three line 1, 2, and 3. See, and need to 50 pattern. Okay, see here showing its pattern. Okay, see, our pattern is okay. Oh, sorry, I have some mistake. First back, here is 80 millimeter, not the center. Here 80 millimeter is here to here. Okay, now delete this define. First again smart dimension and click this point. Okay, this point to this point, and here to here 18.8 millimeter. Okay, now is okay, and then select again pattern and same procedure. Okay, first choose pattern, circular pattern, and choose 1, 2, 3, and here is pattern, required pattern 50. Okay, 50. See, now is okay. Here is our 50 pattern spoke gear. See, our design is completely ready. If you want, you can make this 3D. uh, See, here is 3D model. If you want, you can make this 3D. First click feature is 3D option feature, and then extrude boss. First click extrude boss. See, and then click first this. Here is just 5 millimeter. Oh, see, 5 millimeter. And again extrude boss. First click this option, and then option here select scale. See, and select again is 8 millimeters. Okay, see, okay, now our design is okay. No need to 3D, because if you completely know 2D, you make 3D first. See, and go back 2D. See, our design is 2D. So try to make this. Thanks for watching.